Hello, cheerful friends. Today I'll draw Bluey and her friends playing together in the park. While waiting for the drawing to finish, I'll tell you a happy story about Bluey, Bingo, and their friends having a super fun day. Before we begin, tap the like button so Bluey and her friends can jump higher with joy. Yay, let's start the story now. The sun shone bright, the breeze felt soft and cool. Bluey packed her bag, ready to meet her friends after school. Come on, Bingo. Bluey called, they're waiting for us at the park. Bingo ran fast with a giggle, her laugh was cheerful and spark. Can you run like Bluey and Bingo? Run, 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 go, go, go. At the park, Coco waved wide, hi Bluey. Hi Bingo, she cried. Winton and Rusty were racing on grass, while Indy twirled like a dancer with class. Bluey clapped her paws, let's play together today. Bingo nodded happily, yes. That's the best way. They played tag around the tree, Snickers shouted, you can't catch me. Coco ran quick, her ribbon flew high, Bingo laughed so hard, tears filled her eye. Can you jump like Snickers now? Hop once, hop twice, wow, good job, wow. After tag, they took a break, Rusty said, let's pretend to bake. Bingo grabbed leaves, this will be our pie, Bluey added flowers, now let's let it dry. They laughed and made a mess, their pretend cakes looked their best. Winton sniffed and smiled, yummy. Indy laughed, that's so funny. Soon Mom came with a basket of snacks, sandwiches, apples, and juice packs. Who's hungry? She asked with care. Me, shouted Bingo, I'll take my share. They sat on a blanket under the tree, eating and giggling so happily. Thank you, Mum, said Bluey sweet, this picnic's a special treat. Can you pretend to eat like Bluey too? Nom nom nom, that's what we do. When lunch was done, clouds filled the sky, they watched shapes slowly passing by. Look, that one's a bunny, said Bingo loud, and that one's a heart, said Coco proud. Bluey smiled softly, I love playing with all of you. Rusty nodded kindly, friends make dreams come true. The sun began to fall, the park turned golden and calm. Bingo leaned on Bluey, feeling safe and warm. Let's play again tomorrow, said Indy bright, yes. Bluey said, we'll play till night. They waved goodbye with a cheer so grand, holding each other's paw, hand in hand. Because friendship is the best game to play, it fills each heart in every way. And no matter what they choose to do, Bluey and her friends will always shine through.